was always there. I only produced it for him. So he wants it on record. So I gave him the copy of that. And secondly, that is a part of our tender. So there is no need to worry. WE will remain. So the unwarranted things. We have made it very clear and it is part of the tender, which is very important. Once you put something as a part of the tender, you cannot violate it.
Commitment of the government that both the airports will exist. Chief Minister yesterday has made it very clear that it is part of the RFP. When it is part of an RFP, it is a solemn assurance. It is a legal assurance also. You cannot get out of it. I am for continuation of WE. WE has to continue. If WE stops, South Goa collapses. This government is a government for the whole of Goa. We are from South Goa.
No, if WE stops, you oppose?
No, we will never allow WE to stop. We are firm on this. And everything what I have said up to now, everything what I have said, which is part of the common minimum program, has been implemented.
गोवाच्या लोकांकूय बिजनेस येवपाक जाय, साउथ गोवाच्या लोकांकूय बिजनेस येवपाक जाय. फायनली ऑल गोवन्स आर वन. सो हे म्हाजे इंटेंशनान गव्हर्मेंटाचें इंटेंशन आहा इन हियर ऑल्सो एंड एट द सेंटर ऑल्सो, सो दॅट बॅलन्स शुड रिमेन, बोथ द एअरपोर्ट शुड function simultaneously.
It has always been a requirement for the overall economic growth and the air traffic that we are planning for the next 15-20 years. The number of people coming in, ही facility पुरो ना. आणि चीफ मिनिस्टरने ऑलरेडी सांगला की दाबोली चालू असताना मोपा चालू जातलो. So I think the people from the north also will be quite happy about this. Facilities available and the connectivity between north and south, which is one of the part of the MOPA tendering process, I think will have a lot of ease for the tourists coming down to Goa, whether they are charters, whether they are foreign tourists or domestic arrivals.
मी हें केल्या रिवायव केल्या की पयलीं पळय आशिल्लें कितें म्हाका पयलीं आलो दिल्यार की हो एअरपोर्ट चालू जालो हो एअरपोर्ट बंद जातलो. आतां हो एअरपोर्ट पळय आहा चालू जातरीत हो एअरपोर्ट आसतलो म्हणून.
Video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar from Panjim for HCN.